Alright, this is what we are going to be designing right here. This is the design for a Rocky by Chinchin. It's a chinchin that I actually like. A good chinchin that I actually like. So as I've been eating the chinchin, I just feel like let me just design this stuff. So this is what we are going to be designing right here in today's class. So stay with me to the very end. Alright, so I'm gonna reduce the size right here. As this is the default background on Pixellab. Once you enter it, so I'm gonna click on the text and delete it, then go for the size right here. The open right here, click on it, that three dots, just click on it and go for image size. So we're gonna be changing the height right here. So we're gonna be using 1500 perhaps. So let me increase it and let's check it out if it's 1500 actually. Alright, it's 1500. So I'm going to reduce the size right here, and I'm going to be importing all the resources needed. So I'm going to be tapping on this import plus 4 times if possible. Alright, going like 5 times. So this is what we're having right here. Alright, correct. So I guess we have this. So I'm gonna go again for another one. We have this. Alright, very quick, without further ado, we're diving straight into the class. So I'm gonna increase the size of this one at first. So let me check it out very well. I'm gonna increase the size of this one. So let me crop it out at first. Let me crop it out. So after I crop it out, I'm going to reduce the size. Increase the size right here. So alright, let me rotate it using this thing right here. So I'm going to place it here. And after that, I'm going to copy again. Then rotate it. Rotate it as well. I'm going to place it right here as well. I'm going to place this over here. So very quick, I'm going to go for the background color. Click on this one, close to the left, close to your right here, click on it. Then go for color, this color, click on color. I'm going for purple. I'm going to use this purple. Then click on plus to edit the purple out. I think it's a dark purple, so I'll be using a dark purple. Alright, let me make it more darker. Alright, yep, so I have this. Just want it to be more darker, so I guess I'm just gonna use something like this. Just press it and drag. Just press it and drag. So now let's go for the color of this one. I'm going for this color. So click on this middle part here, this icon in the middle, and let's go for color. Scroll and click on the color, enable the color, then click on gradient. Please pay attention, click on gradient. Now this is the color I use. Now how did I achieve this? Let me click on this one. Now let me click on the one on default self. Let me click on this, right? Click on plus. And after I click on plus, let me cancel it out. Let me click on this one. You should have this one on your default gradient in Pixellab. So I click on this, right? So click on plus. After I click on plus, alright, I'm checking it out. Well, I click on the first one on the left hand side. First one on the left hand side, click on it. Then look at this orange thing you're looking at right here. This color box orange. Then look at this color icon you're looking at right here. Click on this color icon. Then just go to this color wheel that you're looking at right here. Circle. Click on orange. So I'm going for orange, right? That is if I can actually find that orange. I hope I find it very quick. Or if I can't. Okay. So I have something like this. This one will work. Something like this. Alright, I guess I'll achieve it. I'll still prefer it to be more. I prefer the dark parts to be much more darker. Alright. Alright, so you have this. So this is right here. Good. Mark the go sign. Click on the other one too, right? Click on color. Now enable. Click on gradient. And this is right here, the one you try and edit. So just click on it. Now you realize that the darker part is on this side, and in which it should correlate with the dark part. So I want the darker part to be on the right hand side. I'll just click on plus. Click on plus again. Now look at this plus, minus, less than. You see less than and greater than. Click on it. It has changed. So click on OK. So we have it right there. Quite simple, right? So click on this one. Go for stroke. I should have done that before. But anyways, click on stroke. Enable the stroke, right? Now click on that plus to increase the width. So I'll be using 6 by the way, right? mark the go sign. This one too, click on stroke, enable it, increase the weight to 6. Now if your stroke is not bringing out white, just change the color to white. You can change it right here. You grab, so just change it to white right here. So mark the go sign, right? Go for shadow. This is the shadow right here. Enable the shadow, right? Alright, so just mark the go sign. Come here to click on shadow, enable the shadow, right? Just mark the go sign. So I'm gonna lock this thing out. I'm just gonna lock it. Alright, so I've locked that one like that. So I'm gonna unhide this one. I'm gonna bring it to the front. Right? So I'm gonna crop it out as well. I'm gonna just go to crop it out. So you crop it out as well. Once you crop it out, just increase the size. And bring it right here. So pay attention. Just click on opacity. Reduce the opacity to something like 7. I'm sure you can see the difference already. It's not as plain as it was before. There's a difference here, so just copy, right? And I paste it right there again. Copy. Did bring out the color. So copy again. So I'm gonna copy again. Now just drop everything right there. Right, then I'm going to copy. Right, so I'm just gonna rotate. Alright. You just click on this and rotate. So I'm going to place it to right here. So I'm gonna copy again. Right. Place it right here. I'm going to copy it again and place it right here. Alright, so that is all for that. Then I'll achieve that. Now let me copy it again. So I'm going to place it right here as well. So I copy it again. So I'm going to place it right here as well. Alright, so I have that. The next thing is that I'm just going to lock it up. I'm going to lock it up. Actually not a big deal. So after I lock it up, bring it this one to front. Here. This here that I'm looking at right here. Let me bring it here. So I'm going to unite this. Right. Then click on to front. So I'm going to increase the size. So I'm going to position it very well. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to lock it. So let me go for the first one. I'm going to unlock it. Alright, so I have it like this. I'm going to lock it back. Alright. I'm going to bring this one in as well. So I'm going to press to front. I'm going to increase the size. Right. And place it at the center. Relative positioning correctly. Alright, so I have that. So I'm going to lock it as well. I know you're supposed to copy it, so let's copy it. Alright, I have. So just position it at the center. Alright, so we have that. Then click on to front. So what is the way I have again? Alright, let's go for the text now. That rocky bite chinchin. Let's go for it. Rocky. Alright, increase the size. Alright, after increase the size, mark the go sign. Alright, let's go for font. Let's go and check the font we are going to use. Let's go out and check it now. The font we are going to use. Alright. Click on OK. I'm sure you saw the font I used, right? You saw the font I used. So go for bold. This is where we are, right? So just go for this bold style. This is base style. Click on it. Click on bold. Alright. Mark the go sign. Click on the go sign. Alright. Increase it. You can see what I'm pressing that is changing to blue. So we increase it with that. So go for curve. Right? Go for curve. The bending. Alright. So we have that. So just bring it right there. Alright, so you have clicked on this curve and you've bent it a little bit, just increase it to 35, right? Now let's go for stroke. Enable the stroke. Now I'm going to be using that stuff, a purple color. So I want the purple to be more darker. I'm just going to increase it. More darker. Alright. So you see what I'm having right here. Alright, so that's it right there. Right? So, alright, pay attention. Please pay attention. Go for inner shadow. Click on inner shadow. Enable inner shadow. right? Click on plus. Reduce it to something like this. Click on OK. And after you click on OK, this thing you are looking at right there, increase it to offset Y, increase it to -7. Oh no, offset X, increase to -7, and offset Y, increase to -8. Alright, so you have something like that. Do you get the gist now? Back to go sign. Then you copy it, edit, and let's write byte. B-I-T-E-S. Okay, byte. It's actually a good chinchin, a very good chinchin. So just go for size and reduce the size. So I'm gonna unite this one. This file you're looking at right here. And bring it to front. Alright, so just want to go for opacity. Reduce the opacity to something like 20. Need to copy it. Bring it here, so I'm going to copy it. And just place it anywhere you like. Yeah, just place it anywhere you like. It's just to enhance the background. You know, on the notes, if you check the chinchin, I'm not sure you can find this one here. Yeah, that's true. Give me that time. Yeah, actually, so that's why I was able to. So to front. So after that, what do we have again? Let's go for the next one as well. I'm going to bring it to front. This file you're looking at. Crop. Copy. Copy again. Copy. That's just it. Alright, so to the next one, I need to copy this one. Place it right here. So copy this one too. I'm just gonna bring this to the front. Alright. So big chinchin. The big chinchin is actually easy. Just click on text, edit text, big chinchin, B-A-K-E-D, right? Alright, so just go for the font. I'm going to be using this chunk 5 font, this one. So I'm just gonna bring it down here, increase the size. So just slant it a little bit, increase the size. Take it a little bit. So just go for stroke. Enable the stroke. I'm going to be using that color purple again. Copy it and write baked chinchin. I'm just gonna bring this one to down here and increase the size. I want to increase this one stroke. To just increase the stroke. That's just all about this design. So I'll delete this one, right? So I have my chinchin. Just as simple as that. So go ahead and save as project, right? Then save as image. Ultra. Then click on save as image. I'll be saved to gallery. Then it will save to your gallery.